Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing slash product review on this Samsung special buy we have. This is an awesome washer for a crazy price. We're selling the pairs at $13.99. That's going to be almost $500–600 less than everyone else on the market. So this is the WF46BG6500AV. Really cool model. I'm excited to unbox it. So just real quick, Samsung's come with two different little plastic tabs here. I got my box cutter. I'm just gonna pop that, pop the other one, and I'm just gonna take one corner here that has a styrofoam. So as we can see, we have just some plastic coating and stuff just to peel off. And we'll try to get some of this stuff off for you. Pretty clean though. It's got the rose gold with the black, and we're gonna go over the kind of a few different settings that we have on the unit. But let's look at the back real quick and we'll show you something that's really important that some people don't notice if it's their first time unboxing one of these front loaders. We notice we have 4 shipping bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's just a little key there. You could take these off with a socket, or on the inside of the washer it actually has something to unscrew these shipping bolts. But I recommend always keeping those shipping bolts just in case you sell the washer, or if you move, you could take them with you. You want to make sure that these shipping bolts are put back in to make sure that the drum's not moving around when you're shipping the unit or moving the unit around. So pretty cool. I'd hang on to those. They're usually about 50 bucks if you have to buy them again if you misplace them or whatever, but do recommend it. It just prevents damage. But let's go around to this side here. So most of your washers, when you first open it the first time, sometimes they have moisture build up in here. You notice this one does have moisture build up. They test these in the manufacturer's facility before they go out. So I notice you got some, actually I think that's oil, but sometimes you might have some loose water in there, even though it's brand new. And here's kind of a basic setup here. This is for the drain hose. This is for the shipping bolts in the back. It comes with one of those for you. And it's got a zip tie to kind of connect that drain hose to make sure it's secure. So if you get a lot of pressure when that drain hose activates, it doesn't kick out of the slot where it's supposed to be. It kind of keeps it nice and pinned in there. All right, got a wrench. We're just gonna come back here. I'm probably not gonna do all of them, just enough to get this power cord out. So you notice, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So this gets loose, and that's it. This is the shipping bolt that kind of keeps your drum from moving around inside the machine. And I'm just gonna tighten that back up. One tip for getting the styrofoam off, if you hold it down with your foot on one side, you could kind of prop it up. Just a little plastic or a styrofoam little mound there. If you hold it down with your foot, you could kind of teeter it off the machine. There we go. So this is 4.6 cubic feet, so you can wash a king size comforter and your sheets in this in one wash. This does have VRT plus, so that's vibration reduction technology. It's basically like a ball bearing system that prevents your machine from shaking too much. It kind of keeps it nice and quiet, or if you have a load that's kind of unbalanced, it'll kind of make sure that it rebalances the load for you. So you don't get like all your towels stuck on one side of the machine. It's gonna make sure that it kind of evenly disperses kind of the weight distribution so it's not shaking around. So pretty cool. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Washer dryer, same thing on this. So if we look at that, you can actually stack the dryer on top of this, and you can control both right from here. So pretty sweet. If you have to stack your unit, you're able to kind of control both from the control panel right here, the washer and the dryer, instead of having to reach up where that dryer would be stacked to it. So pretty cool. Another great feature on this machine, this one does have auto dispense for your fabric softener and also your detergent. So you can actually fill this up one time. I'll have to look up how many ounces you can actually put in here, but it should last probably, I'm assuming 40, 50 loads, where you can just load this up once, and it'll automatically pull from this, and based off of your cycle that you're washing and what it's sensing, it'll actually auto dispense right into the machine. So you fill it up once, you don't really have to worry about it again. It'll actually notify you if you need to add more detergent back in there. This one does have smart controls too, so if you have the Samsung app, it'll connect to your phone so you can do auto kind of delay start. If you use one cycle a lot, it'll kind of program it. You can customize that one cycle to where if you always use hot water, steam cycle, extra rinse, it'll automatically program that for you to where you don't have to select those settings each time. So pretty cool. And one of the coolest cycles is on this is the super speed. It actually washes in 28 minutes a full load, super fast. And this one has, I think it's 28 different wash cycles. And you have like 17 variations of what it can do for, if you want to add steam, if you want to add different concentrations of detergent, fabric softener, all of that stuff. This thing is super in depth with what you could actually do with it. So overall, tons of ways that you could kind of change and wash your clothes and customize it the way you like your clothes cleaned. But overall, we're gonna sell through these. It's kind of a closeout model that we're getting from Samsung. I think these are gonna fly out. I think they're gonna do really well for us. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys next week.